Dennis is awesome.
Welcome to the Manchester MTV channel.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe.
Welcome to the Manchester MTV channel. And today we get sloppy in the woods.
What the fuck? City on my bike all day cause I feel took away my license. It doesn't get me down and I feel okay cause the sights that I'm seeing are priceless. Everything seems to look as it should, but I wonder what goes on behind doors. A fella looking dapper and he's sitting with a slapper, then I see it's a pimp and his crack core.
Man's vaping.
Struggling with bags from Tesco. There were people from the city having lunch in the park. I believe that is called al fresco. When a kid came along to offer a hand, but before she had time to accept it, hits her over the head, doesn't care if she's dead, 'cause he's got all her jewelry and wallet. You might laugh, you might frown, walking around London town. Sun is in the sky, oh why would I wanna be anywhere else? Sun is in the sky, oh why would I wanna be anywhere else? When you look with your eyes, everything seems nice, but if you look twice, you can see it's all lies. Yeah, that's city life. 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 Sun is in the sky, oh
You couldn't have done that there. Get in the mouth.